Hello everyone, welcome again to all of you. So in my last session we have discussed what is Python programming language, how there are two working mode of Python. One is interactive, second one is script. So in my today's session we will directly learn how you can make the program for addition of two numbers in the Python. जब भी आप कोई प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखते हैं तो आपको सबसे पहला जो प्रोग्राम होता है दैट इज़ फॉर एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर. आप सी सीखिए, आप सी प्लस प्लस सीखिए, आप जावा सीखिए और you learn the Python is one of the most easy programming language. So first of all we will learn how you can make the program for addition of two numbers. See, we are directly going from the practical side because अगर हमको जब प्रोग्राम बनाते आ जाएंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा थ्योरी पार्ट ऑटोमेटिकली क्लियर होते जाएगा. सो माई रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू, sorry, my request from all of you कि you see my each and every session very carefully. आप अगर हर एक सेक्शन को बहुत अच्छे से देखते हैं so you will get the complete idea. So in today's session also this is your first program, so first you listen what I am telling, what is the meaning of each and every word, and the same program you have to type in the ideally in your Python ideally software and you can run it. Definitely it will work. If you have any question you can ask me later, so in the comment box. So we'll start again. So first of all I'm opening Python software. So to open this Python software you can write here ideally, so it will open, which is already installed in my computer. You can install Python from the Google. It is free, you will not have to pay anything. So see, when you open this ideally, the first screen, this is called interactive mode. This is called interactive mode. So as I discussed in my last video, whenever you will type anything here, suppose I'm typing 1 to 5 into 5, so you will get the answer in next line. Suppose I'm typing 250 plus 450, so you will get the answer in the next line. So this is called Python interactive mode. And next is called Python script mode. The Python script mode is important. In Python script mode only we will type the program and we will save the program. So from where you can open Python script mode, to open Python script mode you have to click on a file and you have to click on a new file option. See, here you can type your entire program, you can save your program, and once you save your program you can later open also. Here you can't save your program because interactive mode में आप सेव नहीं कर पाते. So again I have to make the program for addition of two numbers. So what I will do, I will click on this file, I will click on this new file, then here I will type my entire program. So today we are making the program for addition of two numbers. So first I will for making the program for addition of two numbers there will be only 4 line of code जो मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा. But before writing this program I want to tell you कि देखिए we are making the program for addition of two numbers. So आप addition of two numbers क्या होगा. So first of all listen, when you will make the program for addition of two numbers and when you will run that program, देखिए there are two things, एक होता है बनाना और एक होता है उसको रन करना. So what is the difference between बनाना या उसको डेवलप करना या उसको रन करना. See, again see one more example. Suppose any bank has given you the task कि आप सपोज आपको बैंक का कोई असाइनमेंट मिला कि एनी पर्सन इज ओपनिंग अ बैंक एंड बैंक हैज गिवन द टास्क टू यू कि यू हैव टू मेक द सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर आवर बैंक. सो यू विल मेक द सॉफ्टवेयर, you will make the software and you are making the software, ultimately bank will run that software, you are not going to use that software. तो सेम वे में हम वी आर अ डेवलपर, हम सॉफ्टवेयर को बनाते हैं, है ना. all those who works on a programming language they make the software and ultimately user use the software. Who is the user? Suppose MS Word, MS Word someone has used made the MS Word. So MS Word किसी ने बनाया है but ultimately we are using the MS Word, so we are the user, we are the user, है ना. हम बैंक में जाते हैं, हम ऑनलाइन ट्रांजेक्शन्स करते हैं बैंक की वेबसाइट के थ्रू, बैंक के ऐप के थ्रू, तो वी आर द यूजर बट द सॉफ्टवेयर हैज मेड समवन एल्स. सो व्हेन वी यूज पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, व्हेन वी यूज जावा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, so we are a developer, we are a developer and we are making the software, we are the making the program for the users. So today we are making this first program for addition of two numbers. So let me write the entire code, then I will explain the meaning of each and every word and each of every line. So first of all I am writing a equals to int input enter first number. Then in second write I am writing b it input There should not be spelling mistake, otherwise the program will not run. Enter second number. Then I'm writing sum equals to a plus b, and I'm writing print equals to sum. Now I have to save this program. So what I will do, I'm making a folder on my desktop for saving this program. Right click, new, Python programs. So I'm saving this program. See, listen first. Don't panic. I will explain the meaning of each and every line. Let me increase the font size little bit. How you can increase the font size? Just select it, option, configure ideally, and you can increase the font size from here. You can make it 20 to 25. Okay. Yeah, I'll make it 22 only. That will work. No problem. See, so I have typed my entire program here. Let make it font size little bit bigger. You can face this problem because this type of script resolution. See, when I'm selecting 25, so the option is not appearing here. To press the OK button. Wait. You can make it 22 only. Don't worry. Okay. See, so I have typed this entire program. Now I will save this program. So in my last session, I have explained you whenever you will save the Python program, so you have to save the Python program with .py extension, right? So I'm saving first program. Before running this program, you have to save the program. If you will not save the program, this program will not run. The computer will not run this program. File, you can use first time save as anything. So I'm saving this program on desktop, and there is a folder Python programs. So see, the program is for addition of two numbers, so you can give any name to the programs. I'm giving sum.py because this program for addition of two number. So see, this is .py is the extension and sum is the program name. Sum is the file name also. So I'm saving this program, so automatically here will appear sum.py. Okay, now I am running this program. Now I want to run this program. That means ये मेरा code है. This is the code I have typed for addition of two numbers. Whenever this program will run, जब भी इसको कोई भी मैं और user कोई भी इसको run करेगा, तो this program will ask two number from the user, and whatever that two numbers the user will enter, computer this program will give the answer of addition of those two numbers. So here I'm clicking on run, and here run module means to run this program there is a shortcut key also, F5. You can press F5 shortcut key also. I'm clicking here. So see what computer is asking, enter first number. So I have typed here enter first number is 250. Then what computer is asking, enter second number, and I have pressed second number 20. So see, you will get the answer 45. Again close it. Again when you will run this program, you can run this program by pressing F5 key also, which is a shortcut key. So I am pressing F5 key. See, enter first number, suppose you have typed 1000. Then enter second number, suppose I have typed 250. You will get the answer 12,500. Clear? So ultimately आपने ये सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया है, छोटा सा प्रोग्राम बनाया है किसके लिए, यूजर्स के लिए, विच इज़ अ बेसिक थिंग बिकॉज वी हैव फ्रॉम टुडे वी हैव स्टार्टेड लर्निंग द पाइथन प्रोग्राम. सो जब भी ये प्रोग्राम रन होगा, आप 3 नंबर का भी बना सकते हो, आप 4 नंबर्स का भी बना सकते हो. तो कंप्यूटर फर्स्ट आस्क फ्रॉम द यूजर, दोज यूजर विल यूज दिस, जो भी इसको यूज करेगा कि एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर, तो जो भी यूजर नंबर एंटर करेगा एंटर सेकंड नंबर, एंड कंप्यूटर विल गिव द आंसर व्हाट एवर द एडिशन. अब हम इसके पार्ट्स की तरफ आते हैं कि व्हाट इज ऑल दिस थिंग, इस कोडिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी लाइन. सी आई हैव रिटन हियर ए, व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर ए, एंड हियर आई हैव रिटन बी, एंड दिस in this double code, whatever I have written, it will simply show on the screen when you will run this program. A का मतलब होता है, A is a variable, int is data type. I will explain you what is int. Int is data type, एंड इनपुट मीन्स हमें इनपुट लेना है, कोई नंबर को लेना है, स्क्रीन से रीड करना है, एंड दैट नंबर वी हैव टू स्टोर इन वेयर द कंप्यूटर विल स्टोर दैट नंबर इन वेरिएबल ए. सेम वे में once you will once you will type the first number, so automatically computer will store that number in variable a. In second line you have written b equals to int input enter second number. As the system will read the first number, in the second line computer will ask you enter the second number. Once you will type the second number, and when you will press the enter button, computer will store that number in the b variable. Which variable? B. Enter first number, enter second number, computer have read all those two number, and in the second line what the computer will do, computer will make one more variable sum in computer memory, and will store the value of a and b इन द वेरिएबल सम. मतलब ए की वैल्यू आपने जो दी है, बी की वैल्यू आपने दी है, उसको कहाँ पे स्टोर करेगा? सम में. एंड नाउ सम में इज इन दैट सम वेरिएबल आंसर ऑफ दिस answer of in some variable there is the answer of your final addition. So in next line I have written print equals to sum. So what will happen, whatever the addition which computer will calculate by doing this operation, the answer of that will print on the screen through this command print sum. Again let's run it again one more time. See, enter first number, I have typed enter first number 250. So that means this 250 will store in variable a. Okay. Once you type 250, then second line I am typing 120. So enter second number. This second number will store in b. देखिए a और b की वैल्यू ले ली. Once you will press enter, so computer will take only nanosecond to calculate the answer of this a and b, and the answer will be stored in some variable, and in next line you have written print equals to sum. So sums की value 250 and 120, whatever will be the addition you will get on the screen 370. Clear? अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि वेरिएबल क्या होता है, which is very important. See next slide. Variable is a place in the computer memory that holds a temporary values. In maths also we have listened, जैसे x equals to हम 5 assign करते हैं, x equals to हम 7 assign करते हैं. तो वेरिएबल इज अ प्लेस हुज वेरिएबल इज अगर हम मैथ्स की बात करें, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट मैथ्स, तो वेरिएबल इज अ टेम्पररी वेरिएबल हुज वैल्यू चेंज, जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो जाती है. इन अ कंप्यूटर, इन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो, अ वेरिएबल इज अ प्लेस इन द कंप्यूटर्स मेमोरी दैट होल्ड्स अ टेम्पररी वैल्यू. मीन्स वो टेम्पररी वैल्यू होल्ड करता है. सॉरी हाँ. सो why this is a temporary value? Because whenever I will run this program, suppose I am running this program and this time I am giving the value of a equals to 25 and b equals to 20, so answer is 45. But again when I will run this program, so अब मैं a की वैल्यू और कुछ दे सकता हूँ. I can give the value of a equals to 1000, b equals to 120. So the value is changing, the value is ultimately changing. So what is variable? Again come back to here. What is variable? Variable is the place in the computer's memory that holds the temporary value, है ना. We can place data into variable by assignment into the variable. देखिए अब assignment क्या होता है. I have written here a equals to, this is called assignment operator. What is this? Assignment operator. In maths generally we say this is equals to, but in प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज दिस इज कॉल्ड असाइनमेंट ऑपरेटर. कि जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ से आएगी वो कहाँ पे स्टोर होगी? ए में. वॉट एवर वैल्यू विल कम फ्रॉम दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट विल स्टोर इन बी. Now make it more interesting. Suppose you want to make the program for addition of 4 numbers. So what you will do? You will declare suppose you want to make the program for addition of 3 numbers. So what you will do? You will declare one more variable, enter third number, and what you will do? You here sum a plus b equals to c, sum a plus b plus c. This changes you will have to do when you will run this program. So see, enter first number 25, enter second number 12, second number मैंने 1 दे दिया है, and enter third number suppose 35. So you will get addition, the program for addition of 3 numbers. Clear? So like this you can make the program. But there is one more thing. I have written here int. So you can ask what is int. See, again I am telling there will be so many new words. You will have to listen that what is the meaning of that word. A is variable, नाउ इंट इज अ डेटा टाइप. व्हाट इज दैट? इंट का मतलब होता है कि जो ए वेरिएबल है वो इंटीजर टाइप का डेटा टाइप स्टोर करेगा. व्हाट इज इंटीजर? इंटीजर टाइप का स्टोर करेगा मीन्स ए में जो भी वैल्यू जाएगी, लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू. Whatever int means whatever value will come in a variable that would be integer kind. Integer means 25 हो सकता है, वो 12 हो सकता है, वो -5 हो सकता है, बट वो डेसिमल पार्ट नहीं हो सकता. You can't store 25.50. Listen, I'm again running this program and I'm storing here. I'm giving the value of a equals to 1.5. So computer will give you the error. What computer is giving the error? Track back. Int input enter first number, invalid literal for integer. This is called a data type because integer store only integer number because no decimal part. But when you want to do the addition of decimal part number also, so you will have to change it. You will have to make it float. आपको इसको float करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको डेसिमल वाले नंबर का एडिशन करना है तो आपको यहाँ पे डेटा टाइप फ्लोट करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स रन दिस प्रोग्राम. I have saved this. Let's run this program. Press F5. So see, this is here. Enter first number 25. Let's run this program. F5. 25 point. Sorry. Wait. Press F5. I'm giving 25.20. Oh, sorry. 55.35. Enter second number 12.25, third number 35.26. so see, you will get the answer 52.86. that means what is the difference between int and float? int and float के बीच का डिफरेंस क्या होता है? int और float के बीच का डिफरेंस ये होता है कि int में आप जो है सिंपल नंबर स्टोर कर सकते हैं विदाउट डेसिमल पार्ट लाइक 25 -8, and in float you can store decimal part number like this 25.25, 12.46. this is the difference between integer and float. So again let's do one more time a quick revision. A is a data type, A is a variable, B is a variable, C is a variable, and this is I have written. Once the computer will ask all these three number and computer have stored all these three number in the computer memory, within the nanosecond computer will give the answer because in the next line you have written keys make us one more variable sum and store in that variable the addition of all these three number and store that addition in the sum variable. And in next line this is called print statement. What the print statement will do, whatever you will give in this bracket, print statement will print the value of that particular variable on the screen. आपने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे print equals to sum. So screen पे sum नाम के variable में जो भी value store होगी computer will print that value on the screen. So let's run this program one more time. 25.12, 25 point only. See, when your data type is float, so you can give integer number also. 12.46. 62.54 is the answer. So hope ये प्रोग्राम आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा. I will suggest you copy this same program and you can try to run it. This is a program for addition of 3 number. You can make it for 4 number and you can make it for 5 number also. First try to run this program and in the next video we'll do the changes in the same program only and we will learn the new things. So I hope आप सभी को क्लियर हुआ होगा कि how you can make the program for addition of 2 numbers. So let's make it again in your computer. आप इसमें इतना चेंजेस कर सकते हो. सपोज आई हैव मेक द प्रोग्राम फॉर एडिशन ऑफ 3 numbers. You can make the addition program for addition of 4 number, 5 number. You can do it, I know. So wait for my next video. In my next video we will learn so many new things. We'll make some more programs and listen my each and every word very carefully. आप उसको नोट करते जाइए because that will be very helpful. Okay, so best of luck. Thank you for watching the video.